Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be following along with a trend that is all over YouTube right now, which is the I follow blanks tutorial. And for me, I really like this look, and plus James Charles is insanely talented, so I was like, you know what? We're gonna try to do one of his tutorials. And just to make things a little bit harder, because I would like to say that I'm pretty good at makeup, I decided I was going to use all drugstore products. But in the end, it's pretty much just a win-win for you guys because you might see a drugstore product that you didn't know of before, and also you'll know how to recreate this really awesome look for pretty cheap. And who doesn't love cheap? I do. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. Over on this side of the screen is going to be basically what I'm watching right now. We're gonna go ahead and just hop right into it. So it looks like he is just putting on his foundation right now. I'm going to be using the Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. I think that's all it's called. Yeah, it's just the Fit Me Foundation. I hate using beauty blenders, but I'm using one because he used one. I just hate them. I think they soak up so much freaking product. And maybe it's just like this isn't damp enough. Maybe that's my issue. I hate beauty blenders so much. Like, look how much product it just ate. I do not like this at all. Okay, so now he is using a concealer. Not trying to be mean, but he talks a lot. Wait, did he even put it on? I'm so confused. He didn't even put it on. What? Okay, well, I'm gonna put this on. And I'm almost like completely out of this stuff, so we are just gonna have to be creative. Oh, but anywho, I am using the NYX concealer, and this is the Photogenic HD concealer. For me, I'm going to be using the Neutrogena Skin Clearing Mineral Powder instead of whatever he is using, because that looks hella expensive. Okay, so he is baking. Okay, I can't go too crazy on this considering, like, I have somewhere to be after this. For my brows, wow, my nose looks insane. I'm going to be using the Ulta Brow Expert. Wait, pause. Okay. He's going a little bit too fast for me right now. Okay. And he's taking concealer and putting some of that underneath his eyes. I don't have that brush, so we are just gonna have to be creative here. This is so hard because I have somewhere to be after this, so I'm like, I cannot mess up. When are we taking off this nose powder? Okay, I'm taking this off. I know he's not ready for that yet, but I'm getting nervous if this is gonna look bad. For the eyeshadow that I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using this is just from Dollar General, and it is Broadway Colors, and this is just a simple eyebrow kit, or eyeshadow kit. Now we're gonna be taking kind of like a medium brown, it looks like, or like a beige. Because I don't have that, I'm actually going to be taking that color from my contour palette. Guys, this tutorial is a mess, I swear. Alright, so now he's taking like an orangey color, which I have that. That is right here in this tutorial. I cannot talk today, guys, I swear. Okay, boy, you need to slow down. I'm trying, guys. Okay, it's sort of like this. Alright, and now he's taking more of like a reddish pink color. Okay, so now more to a pinkish orange color in the inner corner. I don't know how he does that like smoky like wing on his eyeshadow. He is speeding through this tutorial. Holy shoot. Okay, boy. Now using a thinner brush, I'll be blending that down to my lash line. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't really like having eyeshadow here, but I'm gonna do it because that's what the tutorial said to do. This is like so not as sharp as he has it. Like his looks so good. What time is it? How come when he does it, it looks like awesome and then there's me? Okay, I need to do some fixing right now. So does he not use eyeliner? He didn't use eyeliner, but for my lashes, I'm going to be using these once again from the amazing Dollar General. Yeah, so I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go apply these really fast with my glue. Also from the Dollar General.
A few moments later.
And because my lashes are not nearly as full as his, I'm going to be using the Maybelline The Rocket Express Mascara. I personally don't know how I feel about like this color, but like this color eyeshadow, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to wait until the end and kind of give my opinion on how I feel about this look. It's not bad, especially for like something you just bought at Dollar General for like $2. Where I'm going after this, they're gonna be like, why are you all done up? Because I'm literally going to like a church conference like this. They're literally gonna be like, why do you have so much makeup on? All right, now, James, what are you going to do next? Okay, so I'm going to be using the NYX Illuminator. That's what I'm going to be using for this tutorial. Oh, no, boy, you are going too fast. Okay. Way too much highlight. I forgot how color pigmented this stuff is. Well, I gotta blend this out. No, I might have honestly just ruined this entire look. I'm so sad. So sad. Okay. I can save this. I can save this. Just gonna put a little bit more foundation over it. That always saves the day right there. Okay, so we got that glow. Okay. Now we are going to lipstick. This boy flies through his tutorials. All right, so now he goes over it with an eyeshadow just to kind of DIY a metallic lipstick, which is actually a super smart idea. Love it. And I think that's it. Okay, and this was it for my finished look. I love this. Like, I love this. This looks so good. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and maybe you learned a few products that you didn't know about, or now you know how to recreate this look but using all drugstore products. So that's pretty freaking cool. I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and let me know down below what you're going to be doing on spring break, because my spring break is coming up in just a few days and I have no plans. I don't have any plans at all. I was going to go to Los Angeles, but I was like, you know what, it's just a smarter decision if I just save some money. So I will be here filming more videos for you guys. Let me know down below what you're doing for spring break, and I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that, because I mean, you made it all the way to the end. At this point, you might as well just stick around. And I will see you guys later. Bye!